Hi everyone, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video we're going to be drawing the super cute Kirby. Yeah! Now you may know Kirby from a video game. We've played it quite a lot. Yeah. It's really funny. He kind of swallows things and he takes the shape of what he swallows and he gets those powers and stuff like that. Pretty cool game. So I'm going to show you how to draw Kirby today. Yeah. And all you need is some paper to draw on, pen or something to draw with, marker, and lots of colour as well to colour in. So, alright, let's get started. Alright, so we've got a paper here. Now Kirby, you may remember he's kind of just one big circle. Yeah. So to make it easier, if you wanted to, you can draw the circle first and pencil, and you can rub out little bits, but we're just going to draw it a little bit differently. Alright, so let's draw, we're going to draw Kirby, and he's kind of like jumping up, and he's kind of going, yay, like that. And you've probably seen it on the video game. So the first thing we're going to draw is his foot, and it's kind of a big, kind of like an almond shape, like an oval, kind of like a football shape. So we're going to draw that here, like this. Cool. And now because he's lifting up his foot, you can actually see most of this is the underneath of his shoe, I guess. And you can see a little bit of the side. So we're going to draw another line inside. We're going to start here with a little curve, go down, and then end up with another curve like that. Cool, like that. So you can see that this is the bottom part, and this is the side of his shoe. And we'll colour those in later, slightly different colours so you can see it a little bit better. Alright, so next part we're going to do is, let's draw, he's got an arm on his side, so again he's going like this. Yeah, so nice and easy arm. It's basically a very big U.
Kind of like a C.
Oh yes, or a C, that's right. Very good. Alright, now let's actually draw his body. So I said before that if you wanted to make it easier, you can draw in pencil lightly the circle of his body, but we did that a little differently. So what we're going to do now is draw a bit of a curve here on the bottom, joining his arm to his foot, and then we're going to follow that curve behind that, his arm, but not draw it, and then we're going to do a nice big curve like that. Now if it helps, you can turn your paper around if you want and draw a nice curve. You can do it bit by bit as well. Alrighty, there we go. So that's we've got Kirby's body there, and so now we are going to draw his other arm on the other side. So it's kind of pointing up because he's kind of jumping in, kind of like an action pose, like that. Very cool. And let's draw, while we're doing things on the back, let's draw his other foot. Yeah. So we'll just go down here and just draw a simple curve and join up there like that. So it's kind of stepping and jumping action. Alright, let's draw his face. So in the middle, we're going to draw two eyes. Now he's got quite long eyeballs, I guess you can call them eyeballs. Yeah, they are eyeballs. So we'll do a nice long oval, nice and round on the sides and at the ends, kind of like that. And then we've got another oval in the top there for his pupil, like that. Cool. And we'll colour those in a little bit later, because normally his it's kind of his pupil is actually white and his eyeball is actually kind of black and a bit of blue. Anyway, we'll show that later, and we'll do the same on the other side. Nice oval, and then another oval on the inside for his pupil. Very cool. And then we're going to do a little smile there. Just a nice easy curve like that. Really simple, he looks really happy. Cool. And the other thing that he's got like little rosy cheeks on the side there. So I'm going to turn mine sideways and we can just draw another oval like that, yeah. And then do the same on the other side. About there. Cool, there we go. So that's Kirby.
Done.
We've done all the lines. Next part now is to colour in. Okay, and we're back. We finished colouring in Kirby,
yep.
And so we've made Kirby, he's kind of a pinkish, sort of peaches, pinkish colour. So we've made him pink and put his purple shoes in as well. I've just gone over and made some of the lines a little bit thicker, yeah. And we've added some highlights in there, some shadowing. And there you go, that's Kirby, all done.
Yep.
Cool, did you have fun drawing Kirby?
Yes.
Yeah, super easy characters, basically a circle with some arms, some feet, and a face. Well, I hope you had fun following along and drawing Kirby today. Check out our videos on our channel. We've got lots of other drawing and arts and crafts sort of videos for you to enjoy. Please like and subscribe and share this with all your friends. Thanks. Bye.